Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how passive abilities work in Fish It game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, passive abilities are a special effect that activate automatically while you fish. You do not need to press any buttons or manually trigger them. Once you equip a passive ability, it runs in the background and activates after a certain number of casts. I'm going to click on the passive ability. Okay, this one. This is the menu guys, and this passives can give you extra bonus during fishing, which makes your grinding sessions much more rewarding over time. Now let me show you how to get the passive abilities. First, take out your fishing rod in Fish It. Okay, and click on this plus icon. Okay, after that you should see a roll option on your screen, this one. When you click it, you can spin for a random passive ability. Every player gets one free spin when they first unlock the feature, and I've already rolled it. I got bubble guys, and you need to make sure to use immediately. And after using the free spin, additional spins will cost resources. You can buy the spin right here, and this is the cost. They are not free, and there are 7 passive tiers in total, starting from common all the way up to secret rarity. Okay, this one you can see right here, and I'm going to show you my progress. And lower tier passives are easier to get but give weaker effect, while higher tier passive are much rarer and stronger. For example, bubble is a common passive with around a 26.1% chance, and defined is a secret passive with only a 4.3% chance. And I already got bubble. And I'm going to show you the bubble passive ability. I'm going to view my items and go to the abilities. Okay, and the bubble will be automatically equipped. And this is the information about this passive abilities. And remember guys, each passive ability also has its own trigger requirements. Some activate after 250 cast, while others may require 300 or even 350 cast before the effect activates. This means the more you fish, the more value you get from your passive ability. And for this bubble abilities, uses until activation 225. Okay guys, and that's all about the passive abilities and Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!